Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're talking about a big idea that becomes very small and practical when you do it right, how manifestation can change your life. Not as magic, not as wishful thinking, as a daily system that focuses your attention, aligns your actions, and opens doors that used to feel closed. Think it, see it, do it. Manifestation is attention plus aligned action. Sparkles. Let's clear the air first. Manifestation is not snapping your fingers and getting what you want. It's choosing a clear direction, teaching your mind to notice the paths that lead there, and then taking consistent, concrete steps. Your brain has a built-in filter called the reticular activating system, RAS. When you set a clear intention, like I'm becoming a project manager by June, that filter starts highlighting relevant information. A course someone mentions, a job posting you'd normally miss, a colleague who could refer you. That's not magic. That's attention. Pair that attention with action and your life moves. Here, what changes when you manifest correctly? Your mind stops chasing every shiny thing and starts scanning for what matches your chosen future. Your language shifts from I hope to I build. Your behavior follows your identity, the kind of person who ships one meaningful task every morning. Your environment becomes a partner because you remove friction and add cues that pull you forward. And because you're clearer, you communicate better, which attracts the right people and opportunities. It's a quiet chain reaction. Intention right arrow, attention right arrow, action right arrow, evidence right arrow, confidence right arrow, bigger action. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Aisha wanted to move from admin work into UX design. For months she said, I wish I could change careers, while scrolling late and feeling stuck. Then she tried a practical manifestation system. She wrote one sharp sentence. I design and ship one portfolio project and apply to 5 roles by June 30. Every morning she visualized a tiny scene, opening her laptop, finishing a wireframe, and sending one application with calm focus. She paired that with a WOOP plan, wish, outcome, obstacle plan. If fatigue hit after work, she would do a 15-minute design sprint before dinner. She tracked micro-proof in an evening evidence log. One screen completed, one recruiter replied, one mentor call booked. In 8 weeks, she had a light but real portfolio and 2 interviews. Did the universe deliver it? No. Aisha did, by teaching her brain what to notice and making daily action non-negotiable. Start with clarity. Vague hopes create vague days. Write a one-sentence outcome that is specific, emotionally true, and time-bound. I run a 5K by May and feel proud crossing the finish line. I save $2,000 by November and sleep better at night. I publish 10 helpful videos by August and get my first 1,000 subscribers. Read that sentence every morning and let yourself feel the feeling at the finish line for 10 seconds. Calm, grateful, energized. Emotion tags the goal, so your brain takes it seriously. Now add a visual and a move. Spend 2 minutes each morning doing a short mental rehearsal. See one small, concrete scene, your fingers typing, your feet running, your voice recording. Make it simple and sensory what you see, hear, and feel. Then immediately do a starter action. Not tomorrow, right now. Open the doc and write 3 lines. Put on shoes and walk for 5 minutes. Record a 30-second practice clip. Manifestation without movement is fantasy. The movement is the bridge. Next, give your desire a backbone with implementation intentions. Pre-decide your response to common obstacles so your future self doesn't have to negotiate. If I feel like scrolling during my focus block, I will stand, take 3 slow breaths, and write 1 sentence. If I get home tired, I will set a 10-minute timer and do the easiest piece of my task. If I feel fear, I will text my accountability buddy, starting 15 now. Pre-decisions beat willpower. Protect your environment so it helps instead of hurts. Put your phone in another room during your deep work window. Leave your tools out at night so morning you slides right in. Open notebook, charged laptop, water ready. Use a sight blocker for the first 45-60 minutes of work. What you don't see can't derail you. Add cues that invite the new you. running shoes by the door, a budget tracker on your home screen, a checklist on your desk. Friction down for the good, friction up for the bad. Language matters. Your brain believes your voice. Swap "I hope I can" for I'm the kind of person who. I'm the kind of person who starts with one honest block. I'm the kind of person who moves my body daily, even for 10 minutes. These identity statements feel subtle, but they change what you do when no one is watching. Follow each statement with action so your words have evidence. That evidence becomes quiet confidence. Use a simple daily loop to keep manifestation practical. Morning, intention and a 2-minute visualization, then one small action on your most important goal. Daytime, one protected focus block where your future gets your best attention. Evening, an evidence log, 3 lines about ways your day matched your intention. Sent one pitch. Watched one lesson. Said no to a distraction. This loop is how you turn hopes into habits and habits into results. Be careful of common traps. Don't outsource your future to the universe and skip the reps. Don't announce your big dream to everyone on day one. Early noise invites pressure. Tell 1 or 2 trusted people who will hold you capable. Don't confuse busyness with building. 5 focused minutes beats 50 scattered scrolls. And don't punish yourself for setbacks. Use them as data. If you missed 3 mornings, the plan was too heavy. Make it lighter and more repeatable. The goal is momentum, not martyrdom. Here's a 7-day kickstart you can begin tonight. On paper, write your 1-sentence outcome and why it matters to you personally. Each morning this week, read it, visualize a tiny scene of progress, and do a 5 to 15-minute starter action before you check messages. Track your proof in the evening. 3 lines, no drama. Midweek, add 1 environment upgrade. Phone out of the room during your focus block or a site blocker for your weak apps. End the week with a future self letter. 1 page from the you of 6 months ahead, describing the small things you repeated and the changes you notice. This is not fantasy, it's a map. A quick word on luck. You will look luckier when you manifest the right way because you will be clearer, steadier, and easier to help. People say yes to clear, consistent energy. You'll also recover faster when things go wrong. A plan plus identity makes you resilient. You stop quitting because you start small again tomorrow. And a word on ethics. Manifestation doesn't erase reality. Systems, privilege, and circumstances matter. Use your practice to build capacity, not to blame yourself for what isn't fully in your control. Ask for help. Share credit. Lift others as you rise. Real power is generous. If you remember one formula, let it be this. Choose one clear outcome, feel it for 10 seconds, act for 10 minutes, and collect evidence each evening. Repeat most days. Tiny, honest reps beat grand, rare gestures. That's how manifestation changes your life, by changing what you notice, what you do, and who you become. You are not behind. You are building. Tonight, write the sentence. Tomorrow morning, do the first small move. Let your attention find the path and your action lay the bricks. Keep going until the thing that was once your vision is now your normal. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.